It's useful to send them something that's like just different enough where when they listen to it, even if they don't like it, they might like respond and be like, this is cool, like send us some more stuff. But if you send them something that is just exactly in line with their label and it's not also a special song, it's probably just going to get filed into like, well, why would we sign this when we have 20 other people doing the exact same thing already on our label? Not every label is like that. Some labels like to just, push out, copy after copy, whatever. But I think my strategy is more about like connecting with these label owners or people affiliated with the label and just kind of letting them know like I can be that person on the label that isn't doing what everyone else is doing if you like this music. Granted, that's a very hard strategy because you'll send it to them and they're like, this is good, but it's like not what we want. Um, and I'm not saying send them something that isn't a fit. Like I still think it's a fit for these labels. It's just a little bit more out there